Hello friends, how are you? My students, now see, today we are going to factorize. In case of factorization, the main problem is that whenever the identity is not arranged along with the question, so along with the expression, if the identity is not arranged, students think how to arrange this. So how to find the factor of this, so how to factorize this, the students feel a problem in this case. So now here on, first thing is that try to understand, you have to see that this number, either this number should be squared, so there's no any number we can square whose square would be 12x square, first thing. And the next thing is that if we are going to if there is no any problem, if there is no any situation to square this number, in that case you could also take the common. But right now 12x square minus 7x plus 1, yes, no common can be exited. So for this purpose, now after this you can also test there how to identify whether the identity will fit here or not, first thing. So now 7x, so if you cannot expand this 7x, and even if expansion, there should be 2ab, because this is the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. It could be have been, but right now we cannot expand 7x into 2ab, and the same thing is that we cannot square this number. So right now we can think that this number or this quotient should be expanded in this form. Now how to identify this, what should be, okay, try to understand, we have to stress this number. This number would be the same, this number would be the same, we shall stress this number only for this purpose, because no entity is shooting here, so we shall expand this number. So how to expand this number? Either to think mentally, or you can just use your mind. Now try to understand, this 12 should be supported here on, try to factorize it. After factorization, you can see here you have got 2, 2, 3 and 1. Try to understand, what thing is here, it's here 7 and right now it's 12. Okay, so 12 has been expanded to 2, 2, 3. Now if you suppose you have to bring here 7 right now, so 2 2 is 4, yeah, and 3. If you multiply 2 2 is 4, you get 4 here, 3 here, 4 3 12 is almost here. So right now 4 and plus 3, would you get 7 or not? Yes, you can get 4 plus 3 7. So right now you have 7. Now next thing is that how to use the sign first. Okay, so here sign is minus. Yes, if here sign is minus, now right now if I say it's minus 2 to the 4 minus 4 minus 3, so you shall get minus minus plus minus 7x is all okay here on. Yes, so right here now minus 4x minus 3x plus 1 is already here on. Try to understand, this should be the same, this should be same, this shall be expanded only if identity does not walk over it. Okay, so minus 3x minus 4x, you can interchange this 3x here also or 4x here also. Try to understand, whatever you keep here the numbers, or you keep the numbers here on, the reverse answer should be minus 7x. So whatever is here, this should be reverse of this. Okay, so now here on, try to take the common first. So here on you can see that maximum 4x could be the common, so 3x minus 1. So how to take it, minus 4x has been kept here on, so 4 3 are 12, 3 and x into x square, so it's x. So after that you should calculate this reversely also, whether your answer is correct or not. If you multiply this, you will get this also. So minus there on, so minus, no minus has been taken here common, so I shall write a minus. So 4x has been already taken away, so yes 1. And after that, so what to be taken here common, so 3x plus 1, there's no any common other than 1, so 3x plus 1, among them we cannot expand 3x also, so 1 is the common here on. Okay, so always try to understand, if here's minus, you shall take here minus common. Okay, so minus 3 has been, minus 1 has been taken common, so along with 3 minus has been taken as common, so 3x has been remaining here on. So plus now, so minus minus plus, try to understand, whatever you would take here minus, if you take here minus, you shall put here minus also, and reversely you will check it here, minus minus plus, so it's all okay. Okay, so minus minus plus, so you have to calculate in this form reverse. If you cannot do this directly, you shall compute in this form, minus minus plus is okay. Now so 3x minus 1 and 3x minus 1, within these two expressions, so you can see here 3x minus 1 is a term that is common, 3x minus 1, so 4x minus 1 is the term that is common, so 3x minus 1 4x minus 1 is common. So right now I have written the next answer also by only alternating this 3x and 4x only. So the matter would be the same, only that what happens that this term would get interchanged on this side or that side of the expression only. Okay, so the answer would be the same. So this is all about how to express a expression if it doesn't match with the identity. So if the expression does not match with the identity, no problem, expand this number, taking the factorization of this number and matching with the concept with this minus 7x or whatever number would be had been mentioned here on. Okay, so sometimes it happens to be that you shall get a number, shall get a expression that wherein you could get a common from all these three terms, but right now we have no common, so we shall use the same property here on. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.